Okay. I came up here thinking that the item would be up here, but I guess not. Anyway, welcome back to Dragon Quest VIII. We got a quest in the last episode to go find the great Kaldarasha's fortune-telling glass ball. Well, he didn't want us to go find it, but his daughter Valentina did. And so that is our quest. We hope to find the crystal ball for Kaldarasha, and he supposedly will help us track down the evil Dalmagus. So yeah, that's the plan. But first we need to do a little leveling and get some gold. Yes, yes. HP runs low. MP runs low. You can always go to an inn and get more stuff. Now, if I'm not mistaken, there's a treasure chest off in this direction. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna make you suffer watching me fight over and over again. I'm gonna cut out all the grinding. Me walking around in circles, fighting monsters for an hour or so to gain gold and experience. I'm gonna leave that stuff out of the video. I'll only record the video of combat if it's an enemy that I have not encountered before. So I'll leave in the combat of new enemies, just so that you can see all the different enemy types in the game. Wow, we don't do much damage. We only just got out of the city gates and we're already being beat up. Yay, level 2. Aw, we didn't get any skill points. Definitely need to heal up after that fight. We don't get any MP yet either. There's the chest I was talking about. I think it kind of sucks that you don't have a world map at the start of this game. A seed of life. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Do not want to fight that guy yet. He is bad news. Candy Cat. Candy Cat calmly washes his face. It kind of makes you feel guilty killing enemies that don't attack you sometimes. He was just taking a bath. Lips. Ew. He licked my face. Gross. Okay, let's head back in the direction of town. I forget where that waterfall is. A bunny corn? Wow. I love all the various enemy types in this game. The people behind this game were really creative. Bunny corns. Where is that waterfall? I think it's off this way. Slimes. Slimes are the old tradition of Dragon Quest games. Slimes are always the starter enemy in every Dragon Quest game. First enemy you come across is typically always going to be a slime. I love the music in this game. It's so beautiful. There's the waterfall. I could see it on the corner of my eye. Oh yeah, these are cats. Told you I was gonna cut out the parts of enemies where I've already encountered them. No need for you to see the same fight over and over again. I'll try to remember that. There's the waterfall cave. But we're not going there just yet. Ooh, we gained a level that time. Well, Yangus gained a level anyway. But yeah, we're not going in the cave yet. There's one little side dealio to go through. This guy that lives up on the mountain. Yeah, Gus level. I called him Gus. Hey, I learned the heal spell. See, that's another reason why we didn't go in the cave yet. Because I really wanted that heal spell. It's gonna come in handy for inside the cave. It means we don't have to rely on healing herbs and slimes. Hey, this way. Nothing in here to look at. Oh, you got some bags. seed of agility. Vial of holy water. I don't often get visitors all the way up here. Well, now that you're here, maybe I could ask you a little favor. Okay, I'm only gonna say this once, so clean out your ears and get listening. If you go outside and look at the view from the top of the mountain, you should be able to spot a tree with red leaves. I had a bit of a kip there when I was out the other day, and it seems I left my tool bag behind. I don't expect you to do this for free, of course. I'll be able to give you a small reward. I'll be waiting here in my hut for you to bring it back. Try not to take too long. Okay. I'll go get your tool bag, or tool sack, or whatever it is, with tools in it. I should probably heal up, because I am a little injured. Now, how do I get there? It was this way, right? Yeah, that tree over there, I think. This game has a night and day cycle, so the enemies are gonna probably get a little tougher when the sun goes down. Ooh, satyrs. Haven't came across you guys yet. We will make short work of you though, because we are legendary adventurers. I'm gonna lose my way to that tree. I'm getting lost already. It sucks not having a map. I need a map. I'm lost without one. Am I going the right way? I don't know. I lost sight of that pink tree. The enemies are getting noticeably tougher because the sun has gone down. Ooh, I learned a new spell, Squelch. Oh boy, Gug gets to make his first points move thing. I'm gonna start out putting points in humanity and courage, because those are the first things that I'm going to get any use out of. I should probably heal up too. I'm gonna want to buy some more herbs back in town. There's the gate. I think the red tree is over this way. Yeah, I'm gonna love this. After I beat this game and all, and have all these videos recorded, if I ever want to go back and play this game again, all I have to do is watch through my Dragon Quest VIII playthrough, and it'll be like playing the game without having to worry about all these fights and grinding for gold and experience and stuff. I'd have already done it in the past. At the start of the game, the combat's pretty basic. You don't really have any spells or abilities yet, so all you do is hit attack over and over again. Darn bubble slimes and their stupid poison. Ow. Please tell me I still have herbs to heal. Because I desperately need a heal. Oh no. I don't think I have any. That's not good. It means I need to head back to town. Because I need to heal badly. Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? No. Beetle Boy appears. If he hits the hero, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. We're just gonna have to run. Playing a dangerous game here, folks. We got what we came for, though. Okay. Let's just get out of here. Gotta use the Shimmer Wing. The only one that I have. It'll take us back to town. There's my coffin. So depressing. Walking around with a coffin. Carrying your fallen comrade. So now we get to walk around town as Yangus. First off, we have to go to the church. And this is how you resurrect people in this game. Resurrection. Res the hero. 10 gold. Yes, bring him back. God was resurrected. No, there's nothing else. Yes, yes, you will see me again. I'm sure. And so yeah, that's what happens when you die in this game. You get brought back as a coffin, and you go talk to the church people, and they can resurrect you for a small fee. And as the game goes on, the fee gets pricier and pricier. We need to stay at the inn because we need health. Always doing some alchemy work. Sometimes when you stay the night at an inn, you'll see Trode working on something in the wagon. That's just him working on the alchemy pot that we won't get until a little bit later. But it'll definitely come in handy when he's finished with it. I'm gonna stop by the item shop. Well guys, we made it back with the tool thingy that the guy wanted. Ah, you found it. Let's see. Yep, this is the one. It's definitely my tool bag. Thanks, I suppose I'd better give you the reward I promised. Oh, hey, you there. That little mouse you've got there is no normal mouse. It's your pet, is it? Right. Here, have this cheese as your reward. Eight pieces of plain cheese. It may just be plain old cheese, but that mouse of yours is sure to like it. And I could be wrong, but try giving it some next time you've got yourself into a fight with some monsters. You never know what might happen. Anyway, that's enough noise out of me. Thanks again for bringing my bag back. You still there? Sorry, Munchie, you say. Well, now there's an interesting name. Yep, his name's Munchie. My little pet mouse. Munchie. There's a story about Munchie, but you don't find it until much, much later, near the end of the game. Who Munchie is, and where he came from, and why he's your pet. All in due time. All in due time. Of course, if you're watching this video in the future, you can probably just jump ahead to the video and watch it somewhere near the end of the game. But as of recording this video, I guarantee it's gonna take a long time before we get to that point. But yeah, we need to head to the waterfall now. And as you can see, I did a little shopping, and I got the boomerang I wanted, as well as a leather shield. So that's nice. I love boomerang. Boomerang is my favorite weapon. I'm always careful. Welcome to the waterfall cave. There's a chest down there. What do we got? A dancing devil. Ouch. This chest holds the map. Of the cave, anyway. There's two routes to go. The route on the left doesn't really take you anywhere, meaning there's no treasure. This way, on the other hand, has a dude, as well as a treasure chest. The enemies don't even notice my presence. I'm standing right here, guys. And that is why I love the boomerang. I took out 2 enemies just with the boomerang alone. It's so good. Gain a level, yay. Gonna continue working on humanity. He learns whistle. I want to get his humanity up to 10, because then he learns heal. You've already got yourself lost. This is only like the first room in the, well, technically the second room in the dungeon. A Shimera lead. Is that pronounced Shimera? Or is it Chimera? I don't know. I think it's Chimera, but part of me always wants to call it Shimera. I got their leather hat. That would be great if I didn't already buy a leather hat in the store in town. All these guys have a little more HP. They didn't go down in one hit with my boomerang. Yay. Still working on courage. I think I want to get the hero, I want to get his courage up to 8, I think it is. Because at 8 he learns Zing. I think it's Zing. Anyway, basically it's a warp spell. It lets you teleport. Very, very handy to have. Ooh, a skipper. That's the first skipper we came across. Oh yeah, that boomerang is so good. I haven't even put any points into boomerangs yet. And I'm still doing great damage with this thing. Just wait until I put points in boomerang. Then you monsters are really in trouble. Look at this guy over here, guarding the gate. cut that fight out because we've seen those guys before. Dude, I got some holy water. I am going to heal. Because, as I recall, this guy's a little tougher than the others.
Well, well, you must be really brave to come up and talk to me like this. A man that looked like a peddler came along earlier, but when he saw me, he ran away without saying a word. Anyway, as you've probably realized, you'll have to fight me if you want to go any further. What do you think? Brave enough for that, are you?
Yeah.
Really? You're brave. That means you must be a good fighter. I know, in recognition of your bravery, I'm going to let you through. Off you go. Be careful now.
How mighty generous of you. But I kinda wanted to fight. More experience and gold and stuff.
Do you, by any chance, think I'm a bit of a wimp?
Well, I'm not,
I tell you. If you don't believe me, why don't you try your luck and fight me?
Really?
Then I suppose that's decided. Let's fight.
Poor little guy. The hammerhead draws near. Do I have any abilities yet? Nope. I guess you learn. What does whistle do? I don't know what whistle does. I don't know. Oh, he tried to attack and didn't quite pull through. Poor little hammerhead. He's not very good at this, is he? So much for thinking he was tougher than I thought he was. Poor little guy. Just kind of keels over.
You caught me off guard. Ugh. But I suppose you won fair and square. Go on. You can pass.
Stay tough, little guy. Stay tough. You'll get stronger someday. You just gotta do some exploring like me. Go around, fight some monsters, gain some experience.
Slurp, guess what? This passage is a dead end. Do you believe me?
Yes.
Yay, then I'll tell you something good. It is a dead end, but there's a treasure chest up there.
Slurp. And he was telling the truth. It is a dead end up ahead, but yes, there is a treasure chest. Oh, it always scares me that the game's gonna crash when that happens. Hey, a copper sword. Kind of useless for me. Because I use boomerangs. Let's go the other way this time. Hey, look up ahead. A sign. Waterfall ahead. No littering. I would never dream of it. There's the waterfall. We're almost there, guys. Such a long path. I do need to heal up. Oops. No, no, no. So close. Hey, what perfect timing. Gaining a level right before the boss fight. Yeah, Yangus learned heal. That's nice. Although it's not going to do him much good in this battle. Because it requires MP, and Yangus doesn't have any MP right now. So yeah. Instead, we need to give him some healing items so that he can heal us when we get badly hurt. We'll give him 3. That should be good enough for the boss fight. Give the hero a few so that he'll also be ready to heal. And we'll just go ahead and use one for Yangus. Totally ready. Totally ready for this fight. But, gonna end this video here, guys. We'll do the battle in the next video, because this video has gone on long enough. So until next time, take care, and have a lovely day.